Why do my hydrangeas look like this? They look like they would be beautiful, but they turned out bad. And this is Rasul from Brentwood, New York. So we'll start with you, Joellen. Why do they look like that? And do they look bad to you?
I don't think they look that bad.
Right.
I have some hydrangeas that look worse than that. But you do notice that there are spent flower heads on there. So it did bloom this year for him.
Good point.
It's got some spots on it.
Right, some Cosper leaf
I
It's
mean,
cosmetic.
It is the end of the season, and you know it's been hot, and so people have put a lot of water on it. So you know maybe it's just stressed from the weather.
Yeah.
It's environmental conditions that's caused it.
I agree with her. That's exactly what I was going to say. It didn't look that bad to me. And I don't know a hydrangea that this time of year looks good because they get that leaf spot.
Right, they get the leaf
you
spot,
know.
right, which is
So
just,
she can
again,
just sort of
cosmetic.
clean it up, you know, prune out the bad stuff if it really bothers her. There were some dead twigs and things, and she could clean it up, but I wouldn't worry about the leaf spot because we're fixing to get into the winter. It's going to drop its leaves
That's right.
anyway, so just
That's right.
rake up those old leaves.
I was just saying, collect the leaves.
Yeah.
Right.
Sanitation.
Right,
Don't leave the
practice
the
good
disease
sanitation.
on the ground.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.